Welcome back to my channel. In this particular video, I'm going to talk about the ngSwitch. Let me open the Visual Studio Code and we'll see one practical example. See, ngSwitch we should use where we have more than one block and at a time only one block will be visible on the browser and rest block will be hidden. Right? So let's go to the HTML and create few block. Div, inside this div I write some statement. This is David. I'll copy of this div and make the two more, Brad, and we'll say Tikloy and save it. Now if I run this application, I would be able to see all these three statements, but I would like to see only one. So in this case I will use ngSwitch. For this I would declare one variable which is a string type and will assign the David. Now back to your HTML, use ngSwitch and your variable name. Now here I'll use asterisk ng switch case. Now if the name holding whatever the value, accordingly the statement will be visible, otherwise all the block will be hidden. Yes, I would say Brad, and for the last one I will say Tikloy. Now let me run this application and we'll see the result. Now here application compiled successfully. We'll go to the browser and we'll see the result. We'll type local 400. Now this statement says this is David, meaning the name variable holding the David value, that is why the only David statement is shown and else everything is hide. Now let's assign the Brad. Save. Back to your browser. It's refresh and now I would be able to see this is Brad. So in this case we should use ngSwitch rather than of writing if and else condition. Thank you for watching my video. If you are new to this tutorial, please subscribe the channel, share the link with your colleagues. Thank you.